if you've ever desired launching your own video streaming website, then this video is for you. As we all know, streaming platforms are trending nowadays, and it's a great opportunity to create your own video streaming website. So there is no need to hire a developer to develop one for you from the scratch. So with this script, you'll be able to get a well functioning video streaming website that you can upload your movies, your TV shows, your sports, live TV, series, whatever video that you would want to upload. Okay, as we can see, this is the demo version of this video streaming platform. You can upload videos and you can make them to be paid. So you can make it free, you can make it paid. Okay, so as you can see, this is the video streaming platform, and if you look at these videos, you notice that these ones, they are paid movies. Okay, they are not free. These ones, they are free, so you can easily stream, you can watch, people can watch different movies on your platform. So you can launch something like this, then you start streaming videos online. And the best part of this is you don't necessarily need to upload the videos yourself. If you don't have videos, you can easily import videos. Okay, you can easily import videos. So that is it. Now let's check one of these videos so you actually see how it works. Okay, I'll be playing this. So you see, so as you can see, so you can upload videos and people can actually watch videos on your site. So this is a fully functional video streaming platform. So with this you can host any kind of video. So you can host YouTube videos, you can upload videos locally from your computer, and you can also import movies directly from MTDB. So that is it. Okay, let's go back. So if you check properly, you can see this is the mobile version of this. It is mobile responsive. It is mobile responsive. So whether your viewers are viewing on a desktop, on a laptop, or streaming on their smartphones, it is mobile responsive. So right now I'll be showing us how to install this, just like I've always done. Installing this script is not something, it's not difficult at all. So the most important thing is getting this script. It's already built. All you have to do is just get your hosting and domain, then get the script, upload, extract, install, customize it to your own taste. That's all. And in a matter of 5 minutes, you've already launched your own video streaming website. So okay, so now let's go over to how to install this. Now the first thing, like I always say, is making sure that you have a domain and a hosting. So please, before you decide to launch any application, to launch any website that I am showing the video here, you need to have your domain and your hosting. Very important. Then after that, you can now get the script, or if you already have the script, you've bought the script, then the next thing for you to do is get your domain and your hosting. So once you've gotten the script, you log into your cPanel. For those of you that have been watching my videos before, it's still the same process, so you can simply skip this video. So, and if you are in need of this script, you can always send me a message on WhatsApp. So for those that are new and those that do not have the knowledge of how to do this, it is very easy. Once you log into your cPanel, you go straight down to databases. Okay, now I believe that you've already gotten this script. So if you've gotten this script, you've downloaded it on your PC, then you've logged into your domain and your cPanel. Then the next thing for you to do is to create a database. So creating a database is very easy. So, and there is this database wizard that helps you do that, so you don't have to create it manually. What you have to do is you click on this my database wizard. So I'm going to be naming this movie, then I will give it the same name. So you can give it different names. Your database and your database username can have different names, but I like giving it the same names, so it will be very easier for me. So you give it a password. Okay, it's requiring for a strong password. Okay. So that is it. Then you click on create user. So once you've given it a username, a name and a password which must be identical, then you click on create user. So the next thing for you to do is to click on this all privileges. Click the all privileges so that you will have full access to the database. Then click on next. So that is it. Once you are done with that, then you are going to see the successful notification, and you just need to make sure that you know what you've created, because that will be needed later on. Now the next thing for us to do is to, once you are done creating your database, the next thing is to locate the file manager. Then you click here, the file manager, and it will take you to your file manager. And if you are running a new account, a new hosting, then you won't be seeing all of these, you won't be seeing most of these. So you will be left with, you'll be seeing just some of these and public HTML. So this is called the root folder. So you click on this public HTML, it is the root folder, which then this is where you will upload your file. Okay, so if you are installing on a subdomain, then this is a subdomain. If you are installing a subdomain, you just created a subdomain, then you click here. This is where I'll be installing mine. So once you have clicked here, you click on upload. So once you click on upload, this other page will come up. Then you click on select file, then you now select the file from your system and it will start uploading. So once it is done uploading, it's going to turn green. The progress bar is going to turn green. So that is it. Then you can now click go back, or just click here to automatically go back and refresh. Then you will see the file that you have uploaded. Okay, so that is it. So for the sake of this video, this is the file, and once you uploaded it, this is what you are going to see. So the next thing for us to do is to click on it, then you right click and extract. Just extract it, extract file. So it is very easy. So this is it. We've extracted this file. Now the next thing for us to do is you open the domain where you want to install this. Open your domain in a new browser, in a new tab, then you reload. So once you reload the page, the auto installation wizard is going to come up. And take note that you should be running PHP. My PHP version is 8.3, so make sure that all these are green. Okay, so if any of them are not green, the first thing you need to do is to go back to your cPanel and change your PHP version. Okay, that should be the first thing, because most these are called extensions, and most of these extensions comes with the type of PHP version that you are currently running. So if you are running PHP version 7.4 or below 8, it cannot come with some of these extensions. So once you are running this 8.2, let's say 8.3, then all this should automatically be checked, because all these are coming with the PHP version 8.3. So that is it. Now I'm going to click on next. So here you enter your username and the password. So if you are getting this clip from me, I'm going to give you a username and a password. So let me just get the username and password. So I've put in the username and password and click verify. Automatically this license has been verified. So the next thing is to click on next. As you can see, this is very easy. So now you will need to enter your database host. Now all you have to do here is you click on type in localhost. That's what you need to type in here. Database host should be localhost. So the next thing is your database username. So let's go to cPanel. Let's scroll down to my databases, so we can locate the database that you've created. So you click here. Please, if you know how to do this, just skip the video. Well, I don't think I should tell you that. You can always skip the video. So this is I've copied the database, then I'll go there. I'm using the same this thing as database, the same so I'll click import. Please make sure that your database username, the password, everything is correct before you click on import. So now the database has been successfully imported. Now you click on next to finish the installation. So the installation is completed, and this is our login. These are our login details, the email and the password. Now I will advise you open this. Just right click to open this in a new tab in case you forgot this. So this is it. Now let's just copy this. Okay, password, just type in the admin. Okay, that is it. So we've been logged in. Now you can click on my profile to change the password, the default password, to change it to yours. You can change your name, change your email, change your phone number and your password. Okay, so you remove it from the default password it's coming with to your own personal details. So that is it. So I'm going to close here. Now the next thing that I'm going to do is to copy my site link. Then I'll go back to here to my file manager where I extracted the files. Then I'll click on settings to show the hidden files. So then I will right click on this .env file. You open it. Note that this .env file is not going to display until you show the hidden files. Okay, so that is why I enabled the hidden files. So this is it. Now I am going to, you see the app URL, you are going to paste your site link which you copied, just exactly like this with this slash at the end. Then you click on save. Okay, that's all. So right here, click on clear cache. I want to remove this public here. Okay, So here it is. Now let's view the site, the front page of the website. You can see, so we've successfully installed this video streaming website. So you can now start uploading your videos, or you can start fetching them. Okay, so let's play one of these. Let's play one of these. Okay. So that is it. So that is it. So exactly as it were in the demo version of it. So now the next thing for us to do is to customize. That is the first thing. You need to customize this site to your own. You have uploaded, extracted, installed. Now is for you to customize it, put in your logo, change the name, and just customize it to your taste. Okay, so now to do that, you scroll down to the dashboard and click on this settings, general settings precisely. Click on general settings. Here you can change the site name, you can change your logo. This is the current logo. You can change the logo, you can change the favicon. This is the favicon. Then you can change the email address, the description, the site keywords. Then if you have a header code or footer code, you can place that. You can change the copyright, so a lot of things. Then the GDPR cookie consent, you can enable or disable it. So that is it. Then this is our purchase code. Now the next thing is to put in your social media handles if you have any. And the next thing is, if you have the application, the mobile app, you can put in the Google and the App Store link so people can actually download. If you check here, it has the book, and once they click here they can download it. So that is it. Now the next thing is to be able to fetch videos, automatically fetch videos without you manually adding them. You need to get your TMDB API token. Okay, so once you get it, you can simply Google that, and once you get the API access token, you paste it here. So once you paste it here, then you can decide the currency you want to charge your users. Should be in USD by default. Then the site styling, it has different styling, so you can change the styling if you don't want that. Then you can change the time zone, the default time zone. So once you are done with all these, you simply save. Okay, make sure you save, very important. Okay, so now the next thing for us to do is, if you want to change the language or you want to add new language, you can always do that here. You can add new language. These are the default languages it is coming with English as the default language. So it has Arabic, it has French, it has Hindi, Malayan, Spanish. Okay, so you can add new language. Just click add new language, then you put in the language name, then you click active. Okay, that is it. Now then, these are the genres. You click on it, you can add this. We have adventure, we have comedy, crime and mystery, drama, fantasy, horror, romance, sci-fi. So you can add anything else that you would want. You can add whatever. I think it covers most of them. So there are lots of movie genres you can add. So you click here, you give it the name, active, you save. Very easy. Now these are the movies. If you want to add movies, normal movies, this is where you add them. So you click on this add. Then if you've added your IMDb TMDB API key, then all you have to do is you go to, you import, you can import movies from IMDb. Okay, so just get the movie code, paste it here. So like it is said here, recommended, search by IMDb ID for better results. So you just paste the movie code, you go to IMDb, you get the movie that you want to import, then you get the movie code, paste it here, then click on fetch. So once you click on fetch, automatically it will fetch that video, it will autofill the name, the movie, this thing, the poster, everything. So all you have to do is to click on save. That's all. You click on save. So, and if you don't want that, you can manually add your movies. You give it a name, select a thumbnail, the movie poster, the trailer URL. The trailer URL could be, it could be a YouTube link, or so the movie that you would want to upload, you can upload local. This local is directly from your system. Okay, you're uploading it from your system. Now we have the URL. It could be any video URL. It could be Vimeo, it could be YouTube. So that is it. You have the this one. So you get this HLS streaming URL. So that's it. Now you can also enable the video quality. You can decide the video quality to display the video quality. Okay, you can also enable download or disable the download. Okay, now you have the embed code. So you can place an embed code there in case you don't want to use a video link. Okay, so now the subtitle, you can enable subtitle, you can disable subtitle. So you can just upload the subtitle, these things. That is it. So once you are done placing all this, you click on save. Okay, that is it. Now the same thing for TV shows. Now TV shows is, you can also import TV shows. Okay, you can import TV shows, or you can add them manually. Now we have, under TV shows, we have the show, we have seasons, we have episodes. So these are shows. If you want to add shows, you can import or manually add. Then for seasons, you can add seasons. So you click on, just type a season movie that you want to add, the poster, the title, season title, the trailer URL, active, SEO, then you save. So for episode, still you add. So you can import, or you manually add. Now another thing is, let's assume that you want to clear everything here. You don't want these demo movies, TV shows, and videos that came with this script. You can just select all and you delete. Okay, you can delete, then you start adding them by yourself, adding the ones that you want by yourself. That is it. So for sports, before you add sports, you need to add a category. So these are the categories: the archery, badminton, car racing, cricket, football, hockey, Scalo India. So there are lots of them. You add the category, then you add the video the same way. So you can manually add the videos. So you add your videos. So those are the things: live TV, the cast and crew, the home. So this is the slider. This is where you change the slide, the home page slide. So this is where you change the home page slide. So these are the home page slides. You can change them. You can add new slide. You can remove these ones. Now the home section. The home section, we have latest movies, latest shows, best in sport, live TVs. Okay, let's check this out. you see latest movies, latest shows. So you can add a new section, edit a new section, disable a new section, or remove a section. Sorry. So that is it. Then this is where you access your users, get list of all your users. Okay, you can also delete a user. Now the next thing here, these are your subscription plans. You want to add payment plans. Like we have the basic here, duration is 7 days, the price is $10, the device limit is 1, and for everyone on this plan you want to show them ads on the video. So for anyone that is on the diamond plan, they won't see any video ads. So you see, this is where you make money. So just like YouTube, if you are subscribed, if you subscribe for YouTube Premium, you won't be shown ads, so you can watch your videos for free. So same thing applied here. So you can add free coupons, you can add new coupons for your users, and these are the payment gateways. It has different payment gateways. It has PayPal, Stripe, Razorpay, Paystack, Instamojo, PayUmoney, Money. So this is it. So you can, let's assume you want to enable Paystack. None of these payment gateways are enabled. So you just click here, you go to your Paystack, you get the Paystack secret and public key, then you put it, then you save. So you need to save it, you need to make it active. Okay, let's go back. You can see it is active now. So when your users want to make payment, they can make payment. You can enable different payment methods, but one thing you need to note is that if you are charging dollar, then you need to make sure that your Paystack is in dollar. So if you are charging in naira, then your Paystack, you don't need to, you don't need to enable naira and pay PayPal and Paystack and PayPal. So that is it. Okay. Now the next thing, this is where you see your transactions, all the transactions that your users have made, all the payment transactions that I see them. Now this is the pages. We have, how many pages we have here? The about, terms of use, privacy policy, frequently asked questions, and contact us, which you can see here. I think they should be below. Okay, this is them. So you can edit any of these, you can remove any of those, anyone that you do not want. You can add new pages. So now this is another important place. We have the play and the player settings. Now I'm going to explain this. The player option, player style, have classic dark, metal dark, minimal dark, modern dark, and you have the vector icon. If you want to display vector icons, you can use it. Automatic play, if you want the videos to autoplay, click on. So if you want to rewind and forward option, then if you want to add a watermark on all the videos, you can upload the transparent the logo with a transparent background that will display on the videos. Display where it should be displayed. Is it the top right, top left, bottom? So you can, you know all these things, not that difficult. Now the next thing is player ads. Now we have three options of player distance. We have the no ad, the built-in advertisement, and the vast end. Now one of these ad is just like YouTube. When you're watching, if you're on the free YouTube and you're watching videos on YouTube just for some minutes, then the video will pause and an ad will be displayed. So this is the same way this one works. So if you are going for the built-in advertisement option, this is where if you choose the built-in advertisement option, then you come down to the built-in advertisement. Now this setting only works with web players. Okay, so you add the source, then the ad time starts when you want the video ad to start. It could be in 30 minutes time, 20 minutes time. So let's say the first one starts at 30 minutes of playing the video, and the next one starts at 45, 60 minutes or 1 hour. So it has different sources. Yeah, it has up to 3 sources. So once you add the links, you then click on save. So once it gets to that minute, the video will automatically pause and the ad will be displayed. So that is it. Now if you are choosing the VAS, VMAP and IMA option, this is where you set it. Okay, just choose, there are 2 sources, the local option where you select the video. It could be a video, it could be an image, whatever. So you select it, or you insert a URL. That is it. Whichever one you are going for, once you are done, you click on save. Okay. Now there is another thing I didn't show you, which is the SMTP. Once you click on settings, because you need, it's very important. Okay, so this SMTP option is your email, so that once users register on your site, they will be able to get an email. So you put in your email link, your host, then the port, the email, password, encryption. That is it. Once you are done, you can test. Click test, put in an email to test. If you get a success message, that means your email is working perfectly. But if you get an error, that means it's either your host is wrong. If you don't know how to get this, you can contact your hosting, because each hosting has their email host, so there is no one host. Each hosting has their email host. This port should be 465. Then you put in your email address here, then the password is the password of the email address, then the SSL, just leave it here, then click on saving. Just the most important thing is getting the host for your hosting, so you can contact your hosting and they can supply you with this, give you the right host for it. Now if you want people to log in with their Gmail address or their social, Facebook, this is social login. So on the registration page, it's going to display social login. I believe you all know about this, the Google and Facebook. So you put in the client ID and put in the proper things, then you switch them on and save. Yeah, that's it. That's that. Now another thing is, if you want to add a reCAPTCHA, so that bots to avoid unauthorized registrations and login, just get your Google reCAPTCHA from Google, put in your keys and save. Now this is web banner. This is web banner, which is very important, because the purpose of having this script, one of the purpose of having this script is making money with it. Okay, so it's either you are displaying built-in video ads or banner ads. Now these ones are banner ads. Let me show you what banner ad is. This is a banner ad. Okay, there is an image ad, and this is an image ad too. Now if you check here, this is where you control them. Okay, we have the home page top and the home page button, which I have shown you. Now this is for the home page. Now the list and list button, which is the list of videos, and also the details. So you have 4 different places, three different places where you can place adverts. So just place your advert there and click on save. Yeah, I think that is all. So if it's very easy, anybody can really do this. Now the next thing is the menu option. You can display, these are the menus: home, movies, TV shows, sports, TV. So you can decide to remove any of them, so you can disable any of them. So that is it. I believe this was straightforward enough. So if you encounter any issue, I don't think you should encounter any issue. The setups are not so complicated. They are very easy for anyone to set up and customize. So that is how you set up and launch your own video streaming website in minutes. Okay, so to get this script, check the comment section or you send me a message on WhatsApp to get this video streaming script, guys. Okay, meet in the next video. See you guys in the next video.